Alright, y'all, this is gonna be my final AGT reaction video. This is gonna be on Adrian Stoica and Hurricane. So it's a dog and his trainer performance. This is their finest performance on AGT 2023. So let's check this out, man. I'm a huge fan. I love their previous performances, and they never disappoint. So let's check this out. That is awesome. Nice. Is that Sofia in there on the cardboard? It's like a show, he wants them to wear the pink one. Nice. Helping him put his jacket on. Helping him put his mirror. Oh, he's filming. That's so cute. He's filming. Trying to tell him what to do. That's cute. Nice. That's hilarious. Don't fall. You gonna what? Push that cardboard out of the way? That's awesome. Now he's gonna do the take. That's nice. That was awesome. That was very enjoying. I was glued in the whole time of what's going on. I was glued in the whole time. That was amazing. That was Bow Wow. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. 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 Yep. That is so heartwarming. The whole performance was so heartwarming, and they just keep killing it. They surprise us with a lot of things. They keep uh increasing the performance, making it better and better and better. And I'm always keep coming back to see it. And if there's any other performances that they've done in the past that you want me to check out, post your comments on there, and I'll make sure I go check them out because I'm a huge fan of them. Yeah, man, y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all like my reaction to this. Post your comments down below, like and share with all your friends, subscribe to the channel for more reaction videos. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. J Anchor on down for 100,000 subscribers, and J Anchor is out. I will be giving away $200 Amazon gift cards when this channel reaches 30,000 subscribers. All you have to do to enter is drop a like on this video, be subscribed to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any uploads. And in the comment section, let me know why you want to win the $200 Amazon gift card and include your Twitter handle. The winner will be announced once the channel reaches 30,000 subscribers.